What's up, everybody? So today we are taking a look at a brand new car just picked up by one of our teammates here at Panda. This thing is a 2020 Kia Forte? 2020 Kia Forte 2020 Kia Forte GT. Now, if you're not familiar, the Forte GT offers a whole lot of car for just over 22 grand. This thing comes with a turbocharged 201 horsepower, 1.6 liter 4-cylinder, and you can get it with either a DSG or manual transmission. Now, it might look like a 4-door family car, but this thing actually offers a lot of potential to do something cool, to go a little bit faster, all while getting good gas mileage and having plenty of room. Let's take a closer look. Now, here at Panda, we're all about real performance. We don't do pop and bang tunes, we don't do flame tunes. That said, it's always cool if your car sounds good. Now, one of the cool things about the 2020 Forte GT, this engine with the sport-tuned exhaust actually produces some wicked noises from the factory. So that's enough of me talking. Let's hear this thing. One of the things that we noticed right away is with this patented $5 blow-off valve silencer delete cap, which you can install with just a pair of pliers in a few seconds. We're literally going to install it right here in the parking lot. You can vent that blow-off valve to the atmosphere and make much better noises. Let's check it out. Cap on, we'll tuck this here. Now, the actual kit, the actual blow-off valve silencer delete kit, which again, $5, pandamotorworks.com, we really are selling these, will come with zip ties so that you can fully tuck away that tube. It's not gonna go anywhere, and we're gonna get much better sounds out of this engine. Let's take a listen. Now, just as a quick side note, this is a map-based car, so even deleting that silencer is not going to affect the tuning at all. This is a totally safe mod. Hey guys, just a quick reminder to tag us in your Instagram posts using the hashtag Panda Motorworks, Panda Tuned, and Panda Army for a chance to get featured on all of our social media sites and our website.